Back to the Trader Jack channel. Taking a look at Bitcoin here today. Starting out on a daily, going to do a little top-down analysis for you. Looks like Bitcoin is currently sitting in this parallel channel, rising up, about to hit the midpoint of the parallel channel, kind of rejecting from that right now. We're over the point of control of this fair value range. However, it's weekend trading. You never really can tell the fake pumps on the weekend. So we'll kind of see. CME is set to open here soon, and it looks like when CME does open, we should have a nice gap down. Looks like CME closed Friday at 83,955. Bitcoin currently sitting about 85K, so should have a nice little gap down to probably come back and fill. Let's take a look. This is looking a little more like a kind of like a bear flag coming up. Should get a drop to the downside from this move. Guys, I know everybody's getting really bullish on things these days, and I'm bullish. I don't think the bull market is over. I do think we will set up new all-time highs, but I want you to think about what's going on and how are we just going to pump out of here from nowhere? Think about it. From the top here at about 109K, it has done nothing but free fall. We've had two somewhat decent pumps. Right here, this is the old Trump tweet that pumped. Wasn't even strong enough to hold it. It turned over and came right back down to where it started from. And then right here at FOMC last week, we got another little rise up just to turn right back over and come back down. So, with all this bullish news not being good enough to sustain higher prices, there's no way it's going to sustain higher prices on its own. Just pump right out of here without getting some liquidity. So I'm thinking we're going to have to come back down. Mike can kind of range in here a little, come back down, test some of this liquidity, and then move up. Let me show you another interesting thing here, guys, that no one is talking about. Let's switch over to the weekly. I'm going to show you the Gaussian channel. The Gaussian channel here, this is something, this is something in Bitcoin's entire history. Every bull run, Bitcoin has come back, tested at least the top side of the Gaussian channel before going higher. Gaussian channel top side going higher. When you break through is when you enter bear market territory. It goes all the way back. I mean, you can back test this. It goes all the way back. Testing the Gaussian channel higher. Even more recently in this cycle, big pump up in 2024, comes back, tests the top side of the Gaussian channel twice before going higher. Same thing. We're coming back to the top of the Gaussian channel, which currently is coming in about right about $74,500, which is interesting. Let's see where we line up with the fibs. I like to take a fib from the breakout area. When we broke out of this last consolidation, breakout about there. So that would line up perfectly with a 0.786 fib retracement at the top of that Gaussian channel. Let's switch down and see if we have any other confluence in the area. It's looking at some daily naked point of controls. Looks like we'll have a daily naked point of control right here. Right here about 76.4. So we didn't tap that when we get that drop down back on the 11th of March. We just ran it, so we did not tap that. So we can actually come down, get that, drop a little bit lower, tap to 74.5. Gaussian channel is moving up. As a matter of fact, at the weekly close today, it'll move up a little bit more, so should be a little bit higher. So we can actually tap that daily naked point of control, hit the Gaussian channel, and still be in line with the rest of the bull market. In previous bull markets, it's happened every single time. This is a 100% stat that it has retested the top of that Gaussian channel. So this is not something that hasn't happened many times before. We got a lot of the daily naked point of controls up top, but we're concerned with the bottom side right now because, guys, we're going down. Looking at market cipher, Got a daily green dot looking to print, but again, it's a weekend. Money flow coming up a little, but it's still heavy in the red. 2-day in the red, VWAP coming down. Looks like we're looking to clip momentum here. Stochastic overextended. 3-day VWAP looking to curve back over and come down as well. Yeah, guys, 4-hour coming down hard on a VWAP, money flow in the green. So kind of some mixed signals here, especially with the medium term time frame stuff. Money flow coming out on the 1 hour. 90-minute VWAP coming down. Stochastic overextended starting to come down under a red dot, confirmed red dots. Yeah, confirmed red dots coming down. A little bit of mixed signals, but at the end of the day, the higher term time frame still suggests a little more downside. And again, I just want to remind you, if the Trump and FOMC news were not good enough to pump Bitcoin out of here, and both of them just came right back down, then how is Bitcoin just going to pump on its own, just out of nowhere? It's just not going to happen. So looking at the heat map on the 6 month coming down here, just look at all these in the 70s, 74, 72s. I mean, 2.5 billion, 1.25 billion, 1.54 billion, 2.79 billion, 2.6, 1.75. Just huge cluster of liquidation right here between about 75K and 71K. So I would be eyeing this. Yes, we do have some to the upside, but again, the momentum is just not there. No amount of good news is pumping us right now. I believe we're going to have to come get this in order to pump us higher, which I do believe we're going higher. But I think we need to go lower first. So going lower is not a bad thing. We just need to be prepared for that. So guys, I think that's about all I've got for your quick update on Bitcoin today. Everything looks good. I mean, this looks normal. This looks like what we've done every single time. I mean, again, let's reference back one more time to the Gaussian channel. Let's look at the last time we hit it. I mean, similar structure to what we're seeing now. I mean, you come up here, bounce around, make a high, come back down a little low, boom, hit the Gaussian channel, come back up, retest it one time, and off to the races. Same thing here. You come up, make a high, make a little low, make another high, come back down, another high. Front run the Gaussian, just like you did here. Come back up, make another high. I think we come back down into it. Maybe even retest it once, maybe not, and rock it right out of there, guys. So this is how I'm playing it. There's a lot of confluence in this area. We looked at the heat map, a lot of confluence, and all of the buy orders and liquidation orders stacked up right in here. Not necessarily that low, but right down about there between these areas here. That should be enough to get us up on out of there. So this has been your daily Bitcoin update.